Good day or evening, dear participants. In this first lecture of Module 3, we are going to focus on the scope and conceptual clarification of Module 3. Module 3 focused on curriculum design and the development of curriculum frameworks. Once a curriculum has been designed, it must be put into practice. This module addresses what should be taken into account when operationalizing the planned curriculum. Before this can be done, it is important to note that until the early 1970s, the interest in the field of curriculum has largely been on how it is planned, with minimal interest in how it is implemented. This module on processes of curriculum implementation raises issues that should be considered by educators and teachers as they put the planned curriculum into practice. The module explores processes of curriculum implementation as embedded in models of curriculum implementation, factors influencing curriculum implementation, creating innovative pedagogical environments, community participation in curriculum implementation, school improvement initiatives as well as monitoring, evaluation, and constructive feedback in curriculum implementation. The learning outcomes of this module are formulated as, after going through this module, it is expected that educators and teachers will be able to 1. Understand processes involved when implementing a curriculum. Apply models of curriculum implementation in executing their daily activities. 3. Demonstrate understanding of factors that influence curriculum implementation, as well as suggesting interventions that can be adopted in addressing negative factors. 4. Create environments that facilitate effective learning. 5. Foster effective community participation in school programs. 6. Apply monitoring and evaluation techniques in their day-to-day activities with a view to providing constructive feedback to educational planners, managers, parents, and learners. Let us discuss briefly about the conceptual clarification. Curriculum implementation entails putting into practice the officially prescribed courses of study, syllabi, and subjects. The process involves helping learners acquire knowledge and experience. Learners are central in curriculum implementation as they are the beneficiaries of intended experiences, knowledge, skills, ideas, and attitudes aimed at enabling them to become functional in society. Take note that putting the curriculum into operation requires an implementing agent. Meyer in 2018 identified the teacher as one of the key agents in curriculum implementation. Curriculum implementation thus occurs when the syllabi, teacher's personality, teaching materials, and the teaching environment interact with the learner. At this stage, we may say that the background and rationale of the module theme are as follows. In previous decades, policymakers and education authorities trivialized implementation, treating it as a non-event in curriculum development. The belief then was that once a curriculum has been planned, implementation will naturally occur. Today, curriculum theorists and developers prioritize implementation as a critical tool for determining the success or failure of what happens in schools. This module, therefore, attempts to lay bare the various processes that collectively are designated curriculum implementation. It is hoped that by exploring those processes, implementation becomes clearer to educators and teachers. Finally, take note that this module covers the following topics. Processes of implementation. Overcoming resistance to change. ORC. Factors influencing curriculum implementation. School improvement initiatives in curriculum implementation. Creating innovative pedagogical learning environments. If you have any questions or challenges, please use the discussion forum of Module 3 under Lecture 1 to pose questions and answer other participants' questions as well. Thank you for your attention.